A nurse behind bars.
I believe she's been a nurse at Jackson Memorial Hospital for 20 years.
Accused of a chilling plot.
She don't even know what she's doing. She's innocent, that's all I can say.
To kill the vice president.
Hello again, everybody. This mother of three is accused of making a number of videos threatening the vice president.
The feds say she took it a step further when she went to a gun range to practice her plan. The Night Team's Sheldon Fox has more on her arrest and what officials say the motive is.
The Secret Service says her plan was simple. Kill the vice president. It's what has 20-year Jackson Memorial nurse Nivayeen Petit Phelps in federal lockup. The feds said she threatened to kill Vice President Kamala Harris in recordings sent to her jailed husband. Their criminal complaint says, "Kamala Harris, you are going to die. Your days are numbered already. Someone paid me $53,000 just to blank you up." Arrested Thursday, officials say she'd been talking about her plan for at least 2 months. A plan that included shooting gallery sessions and a concealed carry gun permit, with assassination as her motivation. Phelps stated, "I'm going to the gun range, just for your ass, until you blank and leave the chair," the complaint reads.
I'm sorry, Camilla. It's Joe Biden. You my father.
Eroya Petit is the suspect's mother. She says her jailed daughter is a mom of 3, and without her income, life is miserable.
Cry. No food in this house, no life.
She blames her daughter's alleged vitriol toward the VP on Trump conspiracy theorists and insurrectionists.
Chuck supporter tell her what to do, and then she desperate.
The complaint describes a video Phelps made for her husband, where she's holding a pistol next to a target containing bullet holes, and she is smiling.
She's not going out on social media. She's not on a street corner spewing hate.
Scott Saul is her defense attorney and says the violent threats she's accused of having made were within a private conversation with her husband and aren't considered credible threats.
She's never gone to Washington, D.C. She's never done anything but open her mouth. So people say stupid things all the time.
Based on their interviews with the defendant, the feds contend she believes Kamala Harris is not actually black, and how during inauguration, Kamala Harris disrespectfully put her hand on her clutch instead of the Bible. 7 News was able to find Facebook posts within a thread a few days ago in which the suspect appears to confess online and apologize for her threats. We're at Jackson in Miami. Sheldon Fox, 7 News Night.